everybody, Max with A1 Website Pro here, and today we're going to be talking about Google Alerts and how to use Google Alerts to help drive traffic to your website. Okay, so I have on my website, I teach a bunch of different things. I teach about JavaScript, Ajax, PHP, marketing, WordPress, and all that. So if you go down through my categories here, you'll see that I've made several posts about JavaScript and how they can use it from an absolute beginner level to graduating up to going to Ajax and using Ajax with PHP and so on. When I want to engage people online, I don't want to go out and look for articles like mine. It takes up too much of my time, and I'm a very busy guy, probably like you are. So I want to use Google Alerts to just give me the best results that I need for JavaScript. So what I would do is I would type in JavaScript, just like this. And if I scroll down, I could see that there's a lot of things having to do with JavaScript. Okay? Is there a way to hide it in my echo? I understand all this stuff because this is kind of my niche. This is what I do, right? So I'm just going to click Create Alert. Now, every time somebody publishes something on the web, I am going to get an alert in my email box right here about JavaScript, okay? Now, I can go to these particular places if I find something that is interesting, like, for instance, JavaScript to reset a value to a previous value if user leave it blank. So that's a site point. So it looks like this guy's looking for some help, and it's already published on the web, and it's something that's indexed by Google. Otherwise, if it wasn't indexed by Google, it wouldn't show up here. And so now I get that in my box. I could come down here and I can leave a comment. I could sign up here and leave a comment and lead them back to my website where I have the tutorial on the JavaScripts, particularly the one talking about putting an input field in. Okay, so that's how you can use Google Alerts. I wanted to show you a couple of other things. I have down here, you'll notice the different Google Alerts that I have up here. This one here, CoinFlip Band. This is my son's band, coinflipband.com. You'll notice that I have it in quotes. That's because this is a keyword phrase. Let me show you what happens if I remove the quotes from a keyword phrase. A keyword phrase is more than one term, right? So let me go ahead and remove the quotes. And look at the results down here. Santa Monica Daily Press. Nothing about the CoinFlip Band. Well, what's going on here? Well, Google is sending me stuff that has either coin or flip or band in it. Okay, and it's sending me the results for that. And it has nothing about the CoinFlip Band, the actual band itself. So since it's a keyword phrase, I'm going to put it in quotes, okay? Now as I scroll down, now there's my beautiful children, they're singing their hearts out, and there's their songs, and it goes to their YouTube, their website, so on and so forth. Now, anybody that publishes anything that has CoinFlip Band in it, I'll be able to get an alert. And I'm gonna set this, how often, I'm gonna set it as it happens, because I like to be notified immediately, as soon as people publish the article. The sources I have set to automatic, but of course we can do blogs, news, web, video, books, discussion, finance, but I want it to be automatic. The one thing that you might be thinking to yourself right now, well, why do they give you these choices? Well, blogs, you can usually make a comment on blogs, and if you're an affiliate marketer and you're looking for your niche and you wanted to engage blogs talking about your affiliate marketing campaigns, you can go there, leave comments, and then give a link to your affiliate link. The news, maybe you're looking, you're into politics or something like that, you could put something up there. If the region is just the whole web, you could do that. Here's videos, if any videos are published, if books are published, discussion or finance. So that's how you can narrow it down. If you're getting too many notifications, you'd be like, okay, well, I don't care about, the news. I just want blogs. And you could do that as well. But I'm going to leave this set to automatic. And I'm going to hit update alert. And now I will get anything that's published on the web will come to my Google Alerts, and I'll be able to go and engage those users. And that's how I use Google Alerts to drive traffic to A1 Website Pro. because if there's somebody out there looking for some help on something, I want to know about it, especially if I already have an article published. And that's how I get them to the site where they find useful information, and then possibly they'll subscribe and get notified of my new tutorials that come out. So that's how you can drive traffic to your website using Google Alerts. This is Max with A1 Website Pro. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.